Hello there YouTube. Welcome back to part 3 of the F350 rebuild. As you can see, I'm sitting inside the cab of the donor. We gotta get the dash out. It actually came with the dash. We gotta get the headliner out overhead. I was lucky they left the airbags intact, so I can swap those out once I get the cab painted. But this is the one we're going to paint. As you can see, we're in the process of disassembling. We've already got the seats out, sitting outside. Hopefully we can sell some of the parts out of here that I don't need. Try to recoup some of my money. As you can see over there, I got the door on the stand. Getting ready for paint. We've still got to remove this back door. Tell you, getting glass out of these doors is a bear, guys. If you've ever taken apart an F350 door, you'll know what I mean. Overall, the cab's in good shape. Right now the main focus is to get this dash out. So if anybody wants a 2011-2016 dash out of an XLT, hit me up. Leave me a message in the comments. We'll see if we can work out something. Yeah, fun stuff. But be sure to stay till the end. It'll be a small surprise from the other truck. Here, I'll step out just a moment. Sorry for the shakiness. This is the cab. This one has a solid back glass, so which we'll have removed. I don't do glass, guys. Nope, not my specialty. Everything's straight. Alright, we're back. As you can see, everything's stripped. Got to get this wiring harness out because I'll have to put my wiring harness from the Lariat. She's a job, guys, so we're going to get her tore apart. Stay tuned, and we'll bring you along as we get things apart. Wiring fuse box right here. I'm going to try to leave as much as intact as possible. Like I said, stay tuned. It'll be a small surprise at the end. I wish this was black interior. I could reuse the door cards, but can't have your cake and eat it too. Cake. How's this for sketchy hauling, guys? So the trailer, when I took it, it had this nice little infrastructure built, but we wound up having to put some 2x4s across. Inner bracing right here so it wouldn't slide forward. We did a center mount support, but she held up for the ride home. I was really surprised. Alright, enough rambling. Let's get to work and make magic happen. See you guys shortly.
Today we're going to be cleaning the replacement cab. Is it on this side? This side. I don't know how to work this thing. Oh, whatever. Ugh. Yeah. I finally got it. It was a struggle. Get started. I'm gonna get these bolts up and stuff first. First, we're gonna get the bolts up. Is that all? Mommy, is that all? Is that all?
That's all I see.
There's some back there, but I'll get that in a minute.
Okay.
Dad, So you're gonna get the bolts up like I just did. Now let's set the vacuum. Now we're going to clean the seats. Oh, dang it. It's the strickle.
Guys, we're back. Just wanted to provide a small tip while I was taking the truck apart. If you're taking this rear seat belt apart, this piece here actually connects into here. But don't take your... I took this apart thinking I had to unbolt it or something. But there is a small trick. Gotta love tricks. So I disassembled this to pull it apart, and as you can see, has this little clip mechanism. Instead, I took it apart, pushed it up, and was able to pull out the seat belt so I could get the plastic out. But little did I know, on the front cover there's a small hole you can see right there. You can stick a small pick, push that lever up, and bam, your seat belt comes out. Alright, so we're working on getting the seat belts out so we can disassemble the cab, because we got to get her painted. There's one. That's out. Slide this bad boy up. And I got a feeling that's not going to fit. Guys, I love this DeWalt impact. It is the DCF 889, but as you can see, it's fairly large. It don't get in tight spaces very well. But the feet-pounds per torque that it provides on breakaway torque is pretty significant. I really haven't found nothing I haven't been able to break away yet. The 5 amp hour battery is crucial to run this drill. Don't try to run it off a 2 or 3 or 4. Get the 5 amp hour. They're expensive, but it's worth it. Alright, we're going to keep going. We'll be back. think she wanted to stay with the truck. Remove your little caps. Sometimes easier said than done. And they go flying. Take your handy dandy impact and your 7mm. And you pull. And pull. Huh, we're getting a pile of parts. Alright, catch you in a few, guys. You're taking apart your cab. Inside here is a little seat belt adjuster that allows you to slide your seat belt up. As you got your connection here. But there's 2 bolts hiding. So you gotta pull, slide, push, and it's not wanting to focus. There's one right there. It's on top. And then you slide it back up and you come down here. And there's one hiding underneath. So let's get those out and get those brackets off. Alright guys, we're back. Go ahead and wrap this up for today. I figured I'd share with you the color we chose. We did the trim out on the inside of the door panels. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. That's the back door over there. It's called Sonic Gray Pearl. This is the color that is used on the Honda Civic Type R. I really like this color. It's like a blue-gray. So imagine that whole thing right there, that color. It'll be awesome. Alright guys, remember, like, subscribe, share, comment below. Let me know what you think about the color. And we'll continue working, keep going, keep you updated. And yeah, share one little tidbit with you right quick. You can see the whole rear end's back together. Had the gooseneck hitch sandblasted and powder coated. Got the pieces laid out here. So we'll get it reassembled back on the truck. Got the wheels back together, got everything freed up. Seals, leaf spring, new leaf springs installed. Alright guys, like I said, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Stay tuned and stick around for a few more minutes and you'll see a little sneak peek of something awesome. Thanks everyone.